Hey guys, it's Mari. Today I'm going to show you guys how to effectively use Zimbra provided by ULL to us, which is our email service. You can access Zimbra through your Moodle or through your Ulink account if you first go to the portal website. But since I'm on Moodle, I'm going to access it through Moodle and click the Zimbra link. Okay, it's going to prompt you to log in, but since my computer remembers me, it automatically logs in. You're going to use your CLID and your password. Once here, first off, I'm going to let you guys know that I'm about to teach you how to use the calendar, how to make a task list, how to add a folder, and how to add a signature. So first we're going to start off with the calendar. Once in Zimbra, we're going to click on the calendar tab so that it's there for when we return. Then we're going to return back to Moodle and go to Kines 205. I'm about to show you guys how to add events from courses to your calendars. So from here, we're going to click on the January calendar and click Export Calendar. We're going to choose all events so that it collects everything from this course and click on this month. And we're going to get the calendar URL. Once that loads, we're going to copy and paste the URL, Command C if you're on a Mac, and go back into our Zimbra email. Once here, we're going to click on the settings option via calendar and click add external calendar. Once here, we're going to click on the add external calendar with other and parentheses and click next. On the drop down tab, we're going to click iCal subscription and paste the URL into the URL link, the spot available, and click next. It's going to then ask you to name the events for this calendar, and I'm going to name it Kines 205. And the color I'm going to choose for it is purple. I'm going to click OK, and all events from this course is added to your calendar. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to add a folder. So we're going to click on the Mail tab up top and click on the Settings option and click New Folder. Once here, I already have my Kines 205 folder made, but I don't have a Health folder, so I'll name it Health 110 and select the color for it, and I'll do orange. And then click OK, and it'll be added to the side with all of your folders. From here, you can drag and drop anything that corresponds with that course into the folder, and it'll be there when you click. Basically, easy access. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to add a task to your email. First, we're going to click on the Task tab up top and click New Task in the left-hand corner. From here, we're going to label what the task is, and I'm just going to name this one Complete Quiz for Bio 216. And here you have the priority section, which it'll show basically how quickly or how important it is to get this done. And since it is a quiz, I'll select high priority and leave it underneath the task list. And then the status, since I haven't started the quiz, I would leave it as not started, which you can show if you've started it, if you completed it, if it's in progress. Basically, they have options for that. And how far along are you? Since I didn't do any part of the quiz, I am 0%, of course. And the start date, the quiz is actually this upcoming Thursday, and it opens and it needs to be completed by the Sunday. So I'll click that, and I'll set a reminder in between for the day that it opens or the day after it opens at just say 3 p.m. when I get out of class. And then from there, you can save it. And your task will be added to the task list. And you see how I showed that it the priority of it. If you click high priority, it'll be to the top of the list. If you click low priority, it'll be to the bottom of the list. And if you click normal, it'll just fall in with the dates that you added. Also, right here is the bar that shows how far along you are. Since I haven't completed it, it doesn't have any green in it. When you start and you put how much you've done, it'll load as much as you've done. So if you've done 50%, the green will come halfway right there. Once you're done, you can click it and it'll complete the task and say that you've finished it. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to add a signature to your email. So first, you're going to click on the Preferences tab. And once you get to Preferences, we're going to go to the Signatures link, which is on the left side, and we're going to add a new signature, which it already prompts you to go with signature 1. If you wanted more than one signature, you can fill in both of them, but since this is my one and only signature that I'll be using, I'll go ahead on and fill in the information right here. So I'll fill in the information, that I want my signature to be. I'm just going to use a cute little quote from The Lion King for right now, just to show you guys how to work. Okay, once everything is added like you want it, your salutation, your name, and whatever else that you want to add, you can go ahead on and click save, and your new signature will be saved. Thanks so much, guys, for watching.